Welcome to Spring Lib.
We are given vector A is minus 2 I cap plus 3 j hat plus 4 k hat, and vector B is 3 I hat plus 1 j hat minus 3 k hat. Now, we want to find the magnitudes of each vectors. Now, for magnitude of A, we would simply be the square root of the sums of the squares of the components, which is the square root of minus 2 squared plus 3 squared plus 4 squared, which is root 29, which is 5.38 units. Similarly, the magnitude of vector B is also the square root of the sums of the squares of the components, which is 3 squared plus 1 squared plus minus 3 squared, which is square root of 19, which is 4.36 units. Now, as you can see, because we are squaring each component, it doesn't matter if they are positive or negative. Plus 3 and minus 3 would give the same number here, and plus 3 and minus 3 would give the same number here, and plus and minus 1 would give the same number here. Now, let's go to part B. This was part A. Part B is finding A minus B. Now, for A minus B, we simply do the subtraction component-wise. Now, AX would be, that is, we write it as AX minus BX I hat plus AY minus BY j hat plus AZ minus BZ k hat. As you can see from these components, we can write it as minus 2 minus 3 I hat plus 3 minus 1 j hat plus 4 minus 3 k hat, which is minus 5 I hat plus 2 j hat plus 7 k hat. Now, the magnitude of this vector would be, this is part C. The magnitude of vector would again be square root of minus 5 squared plus 2 squared plus 7 squared, which is square root of 78, which is 8.83. Now, if we were to find out the magnitude of B minus A, it would also be the same, because the components of B minus A is simply minus A minus B. Hence, the vector would be minus of this whole vector, which is 5I hat minus 2j hat minus 7k hat. And the magnitude would be square root of 5 squared plus minus 2 squared plus minus 7 squared. As you can see, the signs of the coefficients here don't matter because we are going to square them. And this number is also square root of 78, which turns out to be 8.83. As you can see, both are equal.